Good morning. Look at this. Isn't it amazing to wake up to this view? All the clouds up there, right down the African plain. And then if we slowly pan round, keep going. There's the camp. Amazing morning. And there she is. The mountain. Tomorrow morning, baby. Tomorrow morning. So this morning was the first morning we've had ice on our tents. We're at 4,000 meters and I think it's been clear sky all night, so it's freezing.
Towards Kili summit.
Yeah.
That's good.
Good old boy. We can wave.
Hakuna Matata.
Swimming pool.
Hi. Where you come from?
I've been thinking it.
It's on the very front. We've got to go all the food together and like safely. Yeah. Look, check it out on my notebook. I said I could come back and have another go at it. You know, just a short bit to finish off the rope right. Yeah.
You never went back.
I never went back.
That's amazing. We're going to stay here until about midnight, where we wake up again, and about 12:31 in the morning we'll start walking up there. Morning or evening or whatever time it is. Well, yeah, it's 5 to 12. So I guess everyone back home is enjoying a good night out. But in about half an hour we're gonna start plodding along towards the summit. Fingers crossed. I don't know. It doesn't really work, or I don't really know. We'll see what happens. See what my body does. See what my legs do. See what everything does. Might be a bit of snow at the top. Might be a bit of things. Hopefully the stars are out. Hopefully it's nice. Hopefully we get a nice bit of moon. See what happens. Cheers. See you in a bit. Hey guys, we're almost at the sort of highest of the worst bit. Best bit is the sun's about to rise. As a group we're doing great, almost there.
Wapulu. Wauni.
Mark's been cheering us all on the whole way.
Georgia, I was going to photograph you. You're walking backwards up Kilimanjaro.
Yeah.
Just because you can.
It's a video.
Is it?
Yeah. Wave.
Right, GoPro.
Wave.
He nearly does. Oh yes, look, there's a sign. There's a sign.
Kilimanjaro, 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 Kilimanjaro,
Hello. So we're now on the last half an hour. Got like, I don't know, 50 meters to go along this ridge line. Well, along the crater ridge, if I'm being correct. Got lots of people coming back from the top. Lots of encouragement, which is always nice. The views are pretty spectacular, so we got a good day. So yeah, lucky us. So as you can see, we made it to the top.
Half of them are doing their own medical duties.
So every afternoon we've been having ginger tea, normal tea / coffee for those who like hot drinks. I just like water. Well, this one's got berry juice in. But what's really awesome is they do popcorn and some ginger biscuits on top. Look how amazing that is. Holly's really happy.
Yay! And we climbed a mountain.
Yeah, let me open.
What do we have?
Now we have chips, salad, and the beef with rice. You're welcome. Super.
Kilimanjaro experience.
Kilimanjaro, it's been fantastic. It's been a most wonderful experience.
Hello. So just left Millennium Camp, which was at 3,800 meters, and we're now on the way down to the Mahegi Gate, which is at 1,600 meters. We have a lot of descending to do. But the good thing is, every step downhill we go, more air there is, and our bodies are rejoicing. So, jobs are good, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, she was great.
So if we went for something like that.
Yeah, go on then, Terry. So you got your coffee.
And when I was having my operation
Yeah.
in the mornings, I get the phone going, right? And
Yeah.
you hear bird songs first in the ward where I was.
So, we've just found some monkeys. They're just up there. Don't think you're about to see them, but we think there's a family of 4 of them. Super cool. So, first thing I did when I got to a restaurant was order a beer. Yay!
I was half an hour behind them.
Oh no, I should order the beer.
But what happened was when we got back to Stella Point,
On behalf of all of us and our diaspora, I speak on behalf of Hope for to say a big thank you to Julio and his team. And yes, we would like to thank you very much.